Hey guys, welcome to another episode to your favorite channel. So for today we are going to deal with views. What views are? Views are basically like tables but only for data presentation purposes. You see, if you want to select a few columns from one table, few from another table, and to combine everything for the purpose of data presentation, you could actually use a select statement. What if for some reason you don't want to type that select statement all the time and you want to have like a single table that can present data in way you like? That is exactly purpose of views. Why you should actually use views? Your database is probably going to be on some powerful server machine, and you want to utilize power of that machine for your company or your local office or whatever. And you don't want to delegate that job to some weak local workstation. You want that job to be done by this powerful machine that is your server. And how to create view? Actually, go into your execute SQL tab and type create view, and now provide the name for view. And now provide your select statement. Let's say item, and execute this code. You see, now we have created our first view. And how to get data from this view in the same way you are using your tables. My first view, execute that, and you are going to get all of data from this view. And you probably noticed that on this side, on schema, you have my first view. But this is a really simple example. Let me show you how to create something more complicated. Let me show you something first. This is our table bill, and bill have these numbers, and these numbers are reference towards other columns, towards other tables. And I am particularly interested into this item table. You see, we have item 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to select everything from item. And what I want to replace that number from bill table with name of item and price of that item. And how I'm going to do that? I'm going to select bill ID, then item name and item price, and then bill amount from bill and item. And now where bill item equals to item ID. And if I execute this code, you see, this is exactly what I'm going to get. And what if I don't want to write this every time I need data presented in this way? Well, I'm going to create view. Create view, my better view as keyword, and just execute this. Now, whenever you need that data, you are going to select all from my better view, and you are going to get this data. There is a function, or better to say keyword, for editing your views, but SQLite does not support it. You have support for that functionality in MySQL and SQL Server database. So now I'm going to show you how to delete these views when you don't need them anymore. With command drop view, my first view, and don't use this comma and another view because that functionality is not supported. So first view is deleted now. And now my better view, and both of views are now deleted. So that's all for now, guys. See ya.